up, guys? So as you can tell, it's about to storm. Y'all can see the sky is just crazy. So before it storms, we're gonna go ahead and do the oil change on that car. That's my dad's 2011 Camaro Rs V6. And let's just get jumped into it, because we just got my mom's Mustang done. We just got that car done. Did my Camaro yesterday, so now let's get this Camaro done. Get started. Alright, so I don't want to keep this car on for too long. That way the oil isn't hot by the time I'm removing it. It is a stick shift. Put the clutch in all the way down to start the car. Turn it on like a normal car. Make sure it's not in gear. Take the e-brake off, put my foot on the brake. Wheels low, clear that message. Don't hit the table that's next to us. I installed that dash cam, by the way. Looks good, huh? Put it in reverse. Put it in first gear. Let out the clutch slowly. Make sure not to hit that. Take the car over here. And all right. Now put it in neutral, put the handbrake on, leave the car running. I'll put the window down. It's starting to drip. Take this out the way, cover this. Yeah, it's starting to rain. It's almost going. This one's in place. That one's in place. Take off handbrake, put it in first gear, roll the window up, and it's starting to rain. Put the air up, and then put the car up. And handbrake, neutral, turn the car off. It's starting to rain. Car is on the ramps, so pop the hood. Hood is popped. Now I'm just gonna let's go outside. Open the hood. Take the cap off, but leave it there this time because it's raining. Take this off. And oil's pretty dark. So, good thing we're changing it out, huh? I'm gonna go ahead and drain that oil because I just got done doing my mom's Mustang, but she just left. So, lucky her. I'm gonna close the door and remove this oil. Brand new oil from the truck because it's for this car. Oil for this car and filter. That's nice. That's where I lay down. Guess I'm not gonna be using this right now. Prop this over here. That's nice. Pick it back up, put it on the next one. Pick this trash can up. Actually, I'll put this over here so that this machine doesn't get wet. There we go. All good. Now I'm gonna put these into the car because I don't want my tools getting wet and oxidized. So that's what I'm gonna do. If my phone doesn't fall. That's nice. Okay. And I'm gonna go ahead, see what number I need. I have it in my notes, so I'll be back, guys. So guys, so I'm back. I had to wait about an hour and a half so I can continue filming this video. Let's get started. I already got everything on the car itself. Here's what I'm gonna use to get the filter off, because the filters on these cars are right there. That to take off the drain, plug, nuts, bolts, whatever. Got the oil back out. Got the pan under, see if my candy dandy dolly thingamaboober is dry enough. It is. My mom's going out again. So, we're gonna use a number 15 to take off the drain plug on the bottom side of the car. Let's get under it, unbolt it, get started. Okay, so over there. So you want to get the jug on the bottom side of that, and then we're gonna go under here. Jesus Christ. Let's see if I can get it. Okay. That took a lot of force. But it's loose. So now just continue taking the rest of it off. Jug a little bit back.
Javier.
What?
Guess where you went?
Huh?
Guess where you went?
Where?
To the street.
So while the oil drains, I'm gonna go ahead, go top, and dry off my hand a bit. Alright, while that drains in the bottom, I'm gonna go up here and remove. What are you doing, bud? What are you doing? What are you doing? Come on. Come on. I'm gonna remove the oil filter. It should be loose enough so I can do it by hand. Alright, got the cap off. And there's the filter for this car. Well, now that I got the filter out, I need to put it somewhere. But, yeah. Hey! Come over here! Hey! Now! Hey! Come here! Good boy. Good boy. Come on. So, use the new filter. There's a new O-ring. I'm not going to use it because the other one I used seemed like it was too small for these cars. Seems like it needs a bigger one. So I'm just going to keep the original one. I'm going to take the old filter, put it in there. the old filter in there. Oh, that's definitely not supposed to stay on there. That's the old gasket, or the old filter. Make sure that that comes off with the old one. If it doesn't, to take it out. Definitely don't want no problems with this air filter, with the oil filter. I'm gonna put this oil filter over in the grass so it doesn't stain the concrete like it just did a minute ago right there. Well, anyways, on to installing the new one. Put it in the hole, put it in place, it's on. And then do the reverse. So now just put it in place and twist it on. I need to dry off my hand. Don't tell me the other one's stuck in there too. Yep, that's exactly what happened. That's nice. And got it. I don't got it. Got it. So make sure these are out, because the new oil filter will not go over these. Peekaboo. Okay, back to installing this filter. Put the new one in place. Then dry my hand back off. Give it some nice turns. Alright, now I'm gonna turn this on and turn it down 37 foot-pounds of torque. Oil filters replaced. I can go ahead, put my torques back. Oh no. There we go. Alright. So that's how I replaced my filter on this car. See if it's done draining. It is. That's good. I can put the drain plug back in place. I think wherever I left it. Here it is. Make sure not to cross thread it. And then go ahead. There you go. Snug it down. I'm done down here. Pull this out. Grab my tools. Get up. Put my tools away. I don't need them anymore. I put the toolbox in the car before it started raining. I did take a shower because that water was cold and I did not want to get sick. So no more tools needed right now. Oh, that must have fell oil out. And those are my tools. Oil. Definitely had a lot of oil on this car. Green one, I think, was my bad oil. So I'm just gonna leave this here for now. Actually, I think it was my black one. Green one looks a whole lot cleaner. Just gonna use the green one. Alright. Grab your new oil. This is Valvoline's, so I'm used to using STP, but there was no more STP at AutoZone, so gotta cheat on STP for the one time. Let's see how good I can pour this one, because the Mustang didn't go so well. I used to pouring these as Valvoline's one. There we go. This car takes 6 quarts of oil. This jug is 5 quarts, and I have another small jug that is another quart. That completes the 6 quarts for this car that is recommended and needed for this engine. Alright, we have this jug is done. Put this over here to the side because we need to fill this back up with the old oil. Grab our 5W30. 5W30, it's what's recommended. That's what y'all should put. Open this up. Pour it in the hole. And that's it. We have completed an oil change on a 2011 Camaro Rs V6, and on almost all our cars except this truck, and that truck needs a new. That truck needs new oil because it's just hit its 1,000 miles. It's a 2021 Denali B8 6.2, and it had 0 miles when we got it, and it has 1,100 now, so definitely needs an oil change. Well, this car just got one, so put this down. Let's go ahead and check. Dipstick is clean. Cleaned it before I started. Go ahead and put this in the hole. And we are good on the oil. So this car has had a successful oil change. Dog's just chilling in the bottom of the car, if you can see him. No oil leaks, that's good. It's great, actually. Put this cap back on. Clean a little bit of the oil that spilled off. Take my handy dandy raggy baggy. Put the hood down. Grab the key. Grab the dog. Come on. All right, clutch in and gas all the way to the floor to prime it so the engine has oil. Or I guess not. Okay. So maybe it's a different procedure on the stick shifts and the automatics, I guess. Because mine did not do that when I. So you do. Let me close the door so y'all can see. To get to the reset this on the Camaros, the oil life, you hit the menu again. It's usually on this page if you've never gone into the car, but you just move this so you see remaining oil life. Press set/clear to reset it. You just hold it. You press it. And are you sure you want to reset it? Yes. So you click this again and resets your oil life to 100%. And then you go back to the miles per hour. So that's it. We out.
Now turn